little bit better. Like now, you know, it was giving Lord Farquaad before. It definitely looks like I hit the humidity. Like, it looks like I hit the humidity already before I even left the house. And that's fine. I'm okay with that. I wish y'all could feel it through the screen. Hold on, let me let y'all touch it. Hold on. Touch it. Okay, my hair looks good. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, my hair look good.
Crown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
Okay, babes. I don't know why I'm whispering, but we're just gonna go along with it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm taking my hair down. I got the little Babiana going for me. I've already done a section in the back that I just braided up and put some leave-in conditioner on it, and I'm going to do the same after I finish these next two braids. Just using this random leave-in conditioner that I bought at Family Dollar. It's like a natural leave-in conditioner with no parabens and, like, you know, harsh chemicals or whatever. But I'm just using it as a leave-in conditioner to kind of help with the knots on the hair, almost like a pre-poo, to help me detangle my hair. And I will come back when I am ready to wash. What's up, babes? So as y'all can see, all of my hair is, let me come up close, is all detangled. You know how you do a braid out and like the little crinkles is in your hair? Yeah, it was cute until I start putting on the conditioner. So that was the first time that I actually did that when taking out braids, and I definitely would recommend that you use a leave-in, or if you have a pre-poo or a detangler, definitely use that and let it just sit on your hair. The other two sections were just sitting in that conditioner and softening up my hair. If I had any other knots or anything like that, like, it literally softened it up, and it allowed me to detangle my hair without getting as much shedding and ripping of my hair. Speaking of, this is how much hair I got. It is kind of a lot of hair, but this was from what, almost 2 months of having the braids in. I got this shedding, and of course once I wash my hair I'll for sure get more shedding. I just wanted to hop into why we are all here, and that is the star of the show. I bought these products before I left out of the country, and they've been sitting here waiting for me to return. I'm just gonna share them with you guys, and we're gonna get into them. So I'm using the BONDBAR line, and this is supposed to be like a dupe for the Olaplex. I really wanted to try the Olaplex, but I've seen a lot of good and bad reviews on the Olaplex. And one thing about me is I don't want to waste money where I don't necessarily have to, and I was of course looking up and doing my research on this line in comparison to the Olaplex, and people had a lot of good things to say about it. Of course there are some cons as well as pros to go with, you know, comparing the two, but I decided to take a chance on the BONDBAR just because it was a little bit more affordable for me. Now, if you want to go and spend $140 on all of those products, please feel free, but that's not for me. So to start, I got the number 4. They all do have the numbers on them, as you guys can see, just like the Olaplex line. But I got the bonding shampoo. Then I got the bonding conditioner. So the number 6 is the bonding styling cream. I don't know why it comes before the number 8, which is the bonding hydration mask. It's definitely a deep conditioner that I'm going to use after I shampoo and condition my hair. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the bonding styling cream. I'm just going to go with those steps, and I'm just going to come back and tell you guys exactly how I feel about my hair. I am going to put a sew-in soon, so I just wanted to kind of get some nice products and good like protein. The Olaplex line is supposed to be like good protein-ish products for your hair, so we're gonna find out. I'm gonna let you Talk to you guys about this process and kind of give my final thoughts and review. As you guys can see, I'm almost done with my hair. Now, one thing about my hair, first of all, let me just take a second to appreciate the growth. One thing I will say about my hair is that, like, my hair is very fine. It's very thin. I've been trying to grow it out and thicken it up using different things. I am now a huge user of the drops that you've seen earlier in this video. Those are homemade Miel drops. So they're literally rosemary, mint, and a bunch of other oils. I have been using that oil for, I want to say, maybe like 3 months. Let's get into the products that I use. Immediately, I could tell, especially after deep conditioning my hair, y'all, when I say that my hair was so soft, like, my hair was so soft. Like, even now, my hair is so soft. I won't say that it's the softest that it's ever been, but I haven't felt this softness in a long time. I did deep condition for about 40 to an hour. On the bottle, it does say put the mask on for 10 minutes. But one thing about me, when I deep condition, I can guarantee you it's not going to be for 10 minutes. Ever. No matter what product it is. Okay? We're deep conditioning every time. Okay. It's a bit aggressive, but I apologize. Now, before I actually started straightening my hair, I was using this Heat Protectant by Erica J, this Sleek and Shine. From the first part that I didn't like how shiny my hair was. My hair is very moisturized. Like, it's all over my hands. I didn't put any oil on outside of when I deep conditioned. That hydrating mask did what it was supposed to do. And then going back in with the styling cream. Now, it does say when used as a part of the Bond number 3 through 6 regimen, it reduces breakage during combing by 70%, improves wet detangling by 90%, and strengthens and repairs highly damaged hair after the very first use. I can definitely agree to all of the above. Like, my hair was super easy to detangle. There is no strands on this comb. Now, I did end up switching to the brush. I felt like the comb was kind of giving me a very rough, like, straighten. I didn't go through all the way to give me a flat, like, straighten because I didn't want to put as much heat on there because I didn't put any heat protectant on. As y'all can see with my hair up close, like, first of all, it's beautiful. My ends definitely need a trim. Not too bad. I trimmed my ends maybe like 3 or 4 months ago. As like an overall though of these products, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I like them. I can't necessarily compare them to the Olaplex product line because I've never used the Olaplex line. But what I do know is that I do love these products. These are the products that I have been using. It is the Pomegranate and Honey line by Miel. I love this brand. It smells absolutely divine. Absolutely love it. However, the way that my hair feels right now, especially after taking out my braids, that's the biggest thing. I just took out my braids that I've had in for 2 months. And like, my hair feels absolutely amazing. I do have my straightener on just so I can give her a little bumpy bump. It feels like there's product on my hair, but it feels like it's oil, if that makes sense. My hands are not ashy. Before I touched my hair, my hands were ashy. My hands are not ashy. And I can say that proudly because my hands are, most of the time, they're ashy. Mind your business. Overall, I could definitely say that I love these products. I think I will have to give you guys an update on, not the bump, not the Lord Farquaad. I will definitely have to give you guys an update on how I like the products over time. This is obviously my first time using them, so I'm not gonna like be like, you should go get them. Like, I believe in actually living with products before I fully recommend. As of right now, baby, I'm in love and I don't have any objections. I love the smell of the shampoo. I love the smell of the first conditioner that I used. The second leave-in, the hydrating mask, it didn't really have much of a smell. It actually kind of smelled like old lady purse. Like, I hate to say that, but if you think of an old lady's purse, that's what it smelled like. So just let your creative juices flow here. I would give this product a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. I'm not gonna give it the full 10 out of 10 because of how my ends are. And I don't know if that's a me thing or if that's I did the braid out and tried to comb out the braids. It feels healthy. It looks healthy. I don't know about y'all, but like my hair look good. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly. My hair look good. Now it looks a little bit better. Like now, you know, it was giving Lord Farquaad before. I don't know what it looks like in the back though, so we're gonna pray about it. Let's see what it looks like in the back. Not too bad. It definitely looks like I hit the humidity. Like, it looks like I hit the humidity already before I even left the house. And that's fine. I'm okay with that. I wish y'all could feel it through the screen. Hold on, let me let y'all touch it. Hold on. Touch it. Okay. Could y'all touch it? Y'all could feel how soft it was. Y'all could feel how moisturized it was. Like, and I appreciate y'all's support. That is all for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you've used these products before, please, 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 down in the comment section, let us know your experience. Let us know your pros and cons. I'm all about personal experience. So if this product was amazing for you and absolutely terrible for the next person, like, I want to hear those experiences. I can only tell you guys about my honest experience and my honest opinion for anything that I do, no matter if it's a paid sponsorship or if I brought the things with my own money. I'm going to always give y'all the truth, the honesty, and all of the tea, okay? But thank you all so much if you made it to the end of this video. Make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team. Come sit on our bench. We would love to have you here, of course. Make sure y'all go follow me on my socials because y'all know I'm going to flick it up a little bit. I hope that you all have an amazing day. We're almost in October, and we're going to have an amazing rest of this year. I'm speaking it into your life, and I'm speaking it into mine. I love you, babes, so much. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Now, give me a kiss. Mwah.